If you can add whole numbers, you can add decimals. The only thing is to get the decimal in the right place. Otherwise, it's exactly the same. The trick is this. You write the numbers vertically. Then you make sure that you line up the place values and the decimals in all the numbers. And then you add just exactly the same as you would with whole numbers, but make sure that you line up the place values and decimal in the sum, or the answer, with the numbers above. So, for example, say you're adding 52.134 and 7.08. To start with, you're going to write the numbers vertically. So 52.134, and make sure you line up the place values. And the easiest way to do that is to line up the decimals. So there we go, 08. Now you can see that there are more digits in the top number, so I'm going to add another 0 in the bottom just as a placeholder. Okay, so now I can add these exactly the same as I would with whole numbers. So 4 and 0 is 4, 3 plus 8 is 11. I'm going to carry the 1. There's a 2. I'm going to bring my decimal down. 2 and 7 is 9. The answer is 59.214. And all I have to do is add just like with whole numbers, but make sure everything is lined up. Okay, so here's another example, this time with 3 digits, but the process is the same. So we have 736 and 42 hundredths, 5 and 248 thousandths, plus 16. Okay, so we're going to start out by writing the numbers vertically, and it doesn't really matter what order we put them in because this is adding, so I'm going to write 5.248, and then I'm going to write the 736 number, and to line up the place values, it's easiest to put the decimal first, and then the last number is just a whole number. And with any whole number, there's an invisible decimal after it. Okay, and then we can add zeros after the decimal point to make the numbers the same length, because those are just placeholders. All right, so then again, we just add the same way as we would with a whole number. 8, 6, 6. Bring the decimal straight down. That's going to be 17, 5, and 7. The answer is 757.668.